Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos on a flat-top grill. First, gather all your ingredients, including your chosen meat, tortillas, and toppings. Next, preheat your flat-top grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure your meat is seasoned and any vegetables are chopped and ready to go. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to your hot grill surface. Place your seasoned ground meat or sliced steak onto the grill. Use a spatula to break the meat into small, even pieces as it browns. Cook thoroughly until it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's fully cooked and flavorful for your tacos. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. With your meat cooked, it's time to warm those tortillas. Lightly brush each side of your tortillas with a little oil, then place them on the grill for about 20 to 30 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. Transfer them to a tortilla warmer to keep them warm. While they stay warm, arrange your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, fresh salsa, chopped onions, and cilantro, ready for assembly. Finally, the best part, assembling your delicious tacos. Take a warm tortilla and add a generous portion of your perfectly cooked meat. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings. Whether you prefer a simple combination or a loaded taco, the choice is yours. Serve these amazing flat-top tacos immediately to enjoy them at their peak freshness and flavor. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.